You've seen Ant-Man. You've seen heroes shrink, smaller than atoms.
And enter a sparkling, psychedelic micro-universe called the Quantum Realm.
But it's not a place you can visit. It's not a parallel universe.
The truth is far stranger, more mind-bending, and much more important.
It's a set of physical rules so bizarre, they shatter our every human intuition.
Act 1. The size problem. First, what does quantum even mean? It comes from the word qua, which means a quantity. It's made of billions and billions of individual grains of sand. The quantum realm is reality at the level of those grains of sand.
It is physics at the impossibly small scale, the scale of atoms, electrons.
And at this scale, the rules of our world, like gravity, or a thing can't be in two places at once, completely break down. This is the gateway into the quantum realm, and it's the most famous experiment in physics, the double-slit experiment. It's simple.
You fire tiny marbles at a barrier with 2 slits in it.
Obviously, the marbles go through either slit 1 or slit 2, and they hit the back wall in 2 straight lines. Makes sense.
When we are not watching, something impossible happens.
Electron zones don't hit the back wall in 2 lines. They Rierens pattern.
This is something only waves do. It doesn't go through slit 1 or slit 2. It goes through both slits at the same time.
It exists in a cloud of all possible outcomes. Act 3. The observer effect.
And this is where it gets truly mind-bending. Scientists saw this wave pattern and thought, what is going on?
So, they placed a tiny detector next to the slits to observe the electron.
It was forced to behave like a particle, going through either slit 1 or slit 2.
The quantum realm is a world of potential, of maybes, until the macro world interacts with it. The quantum realm is a world of potential, of maybes, until the macro world interacts with it.
Act 4. The Other Weird Rules.
The cat in the box, in theory, is both alive and dead until you open the box and observe it, forcing reality to choose. Second,
Then you separate them by thousands of light years.
They are somehow, mysteriously, invisibly connected. Act 5. Why do we care?
At this point, you might be thinking, okay, the micro world is weird, but I live in the macro world. How does this affect me?
The answer? It affects everything. Our entire digital revolution is built on our understanding of the quantum realm.
These weird rules aren't just theories. They are technology. The transistor, the tiny little switch inside your computer,
Works because of quantum principles.
And the future is even crazier. It's called quantum computing.
A normal computer uses bits. A 0, OR, a 1.
This means a quantum computer can test billions of possibilities simultaneously.
Problems that would take our strongest supercomputers millions of years to solve, like designing new medicines or materials, a quantum computer could solve in a few hours.
The quantum realm, in summary, is not a tiny universe from the movies. The real reality is underneath, and it is far weirder, more beautiful, and more powerful